I want to do is I want to show you how to get up on top of your financial house. I want you to get up on top of your financial house and be standing up there. It's going to take you a few years. It's not going to be quick. If you're looking for get rich quick, you're in the wrong room. And how do you get up on top of the house? In Tennessee, if we want to get up on top of the house, we use this thing called a ladder. There's a process here. And there's a reason, because you have to lay a solid foundation. If you're going to build a house, you don't bring the trim carpenter in and start tacking up the crown mold if you hadn't done the drywall and built the house on top of the foundation. You start with the foundation. This is the easiest baby step because it's only $1,000. And it's the one you'll do the fastest in most cases. This is the hardest baby step. Because this is the point you decide, am I really going to change my life? Am I really going to buy into this stuff? Am I really going to do something that other people are doing? Am I really going to engage this process? Or am I going to keep doing it, slopping it up the way I've been doing it? I'm going to get serious. I'm going to get focused. This thing is going to change.